Hi everyone, and welcome to another video from Bad Car Symptoms. This video should help you determine if you have a bad cabin air filter on your car. It's very important that this filter is okay since it cleans most of the air that comes into the passenger cabin. So stay tuned. Bad car symptoms. A bad smell from the ventilation system. The first telltale sign of a bad cabin air filter is a bad smell coming from the ventilation system. It usually smells like mold and as if you were to put a damp and filthy cloth somewhere in the ventilation system and keep it there for months. At the beginning of this problem, the bad smell is barely noticeable and only when you turn on the ventilation, while later it is present all the time. Smears on the lower side of the windshield. The next obvious sign of a bad cabin air filter is smearing at the bottom of the windshield. However you adjust the ventilation system, this will always be present and the whole windshield will be clear, but this smear remains. Constant fogging up of the passenger cabin. Besides the windshield, you may have constant problems with defogging the passenger cabin. Instead of getting a clear all-around visibility within minutes from turning on the ventilation, it may take much longer or it may not even defog at all. This is especially present in the rear part of the cabin. This problem is due to a weak airflow in the ventilation system. Weak airflow. When you have a bad cabin air filter, it jams the proper airflow and ventilation. Simply, the blower can't get the air through the clogged filter. The best way to notice this is to put the blower on maximum. If you get just a breeze instead of a strong blowing, the filter is the first place to check. Louder blower noise than usual. Speaking about the blower, one more symptom is a weird noise when you turn on the blower. The noises that you'll hear are usually whizzing, hissing, whistling noises or else. The main cause is not a bad blower motor in most cases, but it is because of a distorted airflow through the filter since it's clogged and filthy. Filth coming out of the ventilation. The final symptom of a bad cabin air filter is dust, filth, and other particles coming out of the ventilation openings when you turn on the blower. Another cause may be filth in the air ducts or the ventilation system, but the cabin air filter is the first thing to check in this case. The moment you notice a bad smell and the smears on the windshield, you should check out the filter and replace it. One more important aspect of all this is the health aspect. If the filter is filthy and dusty, so is the air you're breathing inside the passenger cabin. It can also affect people with allergies, so all of this is one more very good reason to replace the filter on time. But if you do regular maintenance and replacing the cabin filter is a part of that, you probably won't have any of these problems. So that's it for this time. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.